guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to turn one of these Dollar Tree cones into a really pretty Scandinavian wood slice Christmas tree. I guess it could be a winter tree too. It's not specifically just for Christmas. The first thing I do is using some masking tape, I'm going to cover the entire foam cone from the Dollar Tree. The reason I'm doing that is it's going to be easier to hot glue to this because I'm going to be attaching the Dollar Tree wood slices to the foam, and the foam would melt under the hot glue and stuff like that. So this is just going to make my job a little bit easier. These are the wood slices I'm going to use. They're kind of the, I guess, bevel cut. Maybe that's the right word for it. From Dollar Tree, and I love these. I think these are so cool. I'm just going to go ahead and start hot gluing one row for the bottom. As you can see, I am overlapping the end of the foam cone by about 1 inch or so that you won't be able to see the foam cone in the final project, and the wood will, provide the base that it will be standing on. I go all the way around trying to make sure that I don't have any wide gaps between pieces. They are all similar in size, but you can find a bigger one or a smaller one if you need to. And then for the second row, I'm just overlapping about 1 inch or so, kind of like what I did with the bottom. And I'm trying to stagger them out a little bit. It won't be perfect, but just try to plan your last couple so you don't have any big gaps there. And I am going to continue that process one row at a time. One thing you're going to want to do, though, is really kind of take your time and make sure that your hot glue sets up. And I also like to try to clean up any strings of hot glue that I have in between layers. Now, these cones don't go to an absolute point, but we're going to be able to fill in the entire top of this. I just keep going until I have no more room. So this is going all the way to the flat top of the cone with them. And I'm just going to leave this natural wood. You could always, do a little white distressing on it to make it look snowed on. That would be pretty too. Now, when I got to the top, I just decided to keep it going, hot gluing to the wood slice below it since I don't have any foam at this point. But I decided to just take a little bit of foam here from one of their foam circles to make it a little bit easier and to make it sturdier there at the top. And I'm going to continue that all the way around. Now, normally there's not like a lot of broken pieces or anything like that in these, but I did have a little broken piece of wood that came in my package, so I thought I'd take advantage of it, and I actually glued that into the very tip. This is how it turned out, my Scandinavian wood Christmas tree. I think it's beautiful, and it's so surprising that I only used items from the Dollar Tree. If you'd like more Christmas or winter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!